Either if you want to change your nickname in Binance P2P, then this video is for you. First, you just need to open your Binance application, then confirm the passcode or the security method that you have set it for your Binance application. Now here at the top left corner, you will find your profile icon. Simply tap on it. Now here you will find this your profile name. You can just tap on it, and from here at this section you will find this name. Actually this is your nickname. Now you can just tap on this pen icon. This is actually the edit icon. So from here you can just edit your profile. You can change your profile picture, and you can also edit your nickname. For example, I'm going to edit it this nickname for like this, and I'm going to tap on save to save this nickname. But here you can see nickname can only be modified one time per 30 days, so you have to be aware about that. After 30 days you can again just change this nickname. So if I tap on save, then you can see that their caution popped up again, so you just need to tap on continue. Now here you can see it is just logged, so we can just edit it again after 30 days. Now you can see I have just changed the nickname for my Binance account P2P. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.